Now she's a bit older, so she will sit and play with something like that, won't she? Yeah. I said, I finally took her head was behind that bloody yellow thing. It was lovely when I was there doing it. It's just got such a delay on it, it's not like it, you know.
What's Grandma doing? Is she taking pictures of you?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she'll have to email me all these so I can, you know.
Amy, what you doing? Are you making noises with your hands?
Oh no.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Where's the pinky punk? Oh, we're trying to get that book. Oh, we've got it.
We've got a slideshow going. One of us, we're doing Jay start off with. That's all these are, isn't it?
Have you got a book?
Oh.
Hiya. Where's Grandma going? Where's Grandma going? Hiya. What are you doing?